If everything is too small in Windows, just click Windows U. Now in this, you can left click and drag the slider, making it the correct size. Hit apply and wait a minute. This process is cut, it takes a bit longer than you are seeing. Next we can head over to mouse pointer settings, which will affect the size of our mouse pointer. I would recommend the second option, but third or fourth or even fifth or sixth is fine. The text cursor you can also change the size of. The rest of these options are not applicable. Now we can right click the desktop and click display settings. Then we can scroll down a little and find the scale and layout. We can change this to our own size. I'm happy with the size I've already got. Then we can change the resolution. Higher is actually smaller. I keep it at 1080p. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Goodbye.